Alright, well, welcome back to another episode of FXR Friday. Today, pretty much going to finish taking off the inner primary, take off the fairings, and just get everything ready to pull the motor. So, yeah, we'll just start getting to it. Actually, I think I'm going to eat first. Cook it. Alright, now that I got some food in me, let's get after this.
Used to think the world was going to end, die with a hole inside my chest. Wonder sometimes, and I wish I could lie through my teeth just like the rest. Front row seat to my misery. Got me feeling like
So we're now back to being fairingless for the time being. Works for me because I want to get some new throttle cables, brake cables, easy access to all that. While everything's off, gonna rewire it, and of course get the frame painted. But I'm tired. I really don't feel like doing much else. I'm gonna finish up doing this inner primary, and then I'm gonna call it a day on that one. We'll get right back to it.
settle for the temporary lover. Got me losing all of my friends, jumping off the deep end just to be your insignificant other.
Alright, well, there's that shared inner primary bolt. At least I can get to it with actually, hell yeah. Didn't even need to get vice grips on it. Fucking crazy. Yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna spend the day pretty much degreasing everything here and getting everything ready to come off. Maybe even pull the motor. We'll see. Alright, so we're back again. Next day here. And the plan is to drain out all the oil and pull the motor today. So I'm gonna need to get the exhaust off, undo all the mounts, and yeah, we'll go from there.
Insignificant other.
Alright, got the oil draining. Well, it's been draining. It should almost be empty there. Now to undo the ignition, make sure there's no wires connected to anything else, and the motor can be pulled. So we push on.
No strings attached. Second in line, but I'm feeling dead last. What more do you want when you already have a front row seat to my misery?
So I found another thing that's sheared. That's one of the rear motor mounts. That's fun. And that one looks like it's gonna need to be extracted too, so there we go. We got something going. Pretty much got the front motor mounts all undone. Top mount is undone too. Just need to get the other rear motor mount and then make sure no wires are connected. I just undid the fuel, but I believe everything should be disconnected already. So yeah, we'll keep on going.
Got me feeling like your best friend, only on the weekend. Settle for the temporary lover. Got me losing all of my friends, jumping off the deep end just to be your insignificant other. Do you want me to be a future memory? insignificant other. Take all of me, nothing to hold. Forgetting how it felt. Taking back myself. I'm getting sick of being given a runaround. Nothing left for us to really even talk about. So sick of being friends without the benefits.
My back hurts. Got in the back of the truck, so yeah, there's that. I'm gonna clean up a little bit and go relax. So till next time, hope you guys take it easy, have a good one, and peace.